Alright, first you flick this switch, then this switch. That activates. Then you push this button, which will give you 5 minutes to get out of this. Now, whatever you do, don't push this button, because that will set off the bomb immediately and we'll all be dead. Now, repeat back what I just said.
I am Groot.
Uh-huh.
I am Groot.
That's right.
I am Groot.
No! No, that's the button that will kill everyone! Try again.
I am Groot. I am Groot.
Uh-huh.
I am Groot.
No, that's exactly what you just said! How's that even possible? Which button is the button you're supposed to push? Point to it.